Cough Dance Challenge.
Alright, go. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm